Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about a new repertory, Homeopathic Therapeutics of Hemorrhoids by Dr. William Jefferson Guernsey. This repertory is useful for treatment of hemorrhoids. This condition occurs or develops due to prolonged sitting or constipation. I think about 20 to 30% person, maybe male or female, suffers from this condition one or many times during whole life. So we see what is importance, types and utility of this repertory. The author aim is to direct his readers to a method of therapeutics which will produce a cure in the surest and easiest manner and absolute safety to the patient. There exists a proved remedy to restore to health all patients suffering an uncompleted piles, suffering an uncompleted piles, his assets. However, he also cautioned that complicated cases need not be quickly turned over to surgery, except those turning into malignancy. He also stressed upon the totality of symptoms, but presses the use of four specific medicine used in piles or hemorrhoids, that is Aesculus heap, aloes, muriatic acid and sulfur. Maximum cases of piles treated with Aesculus heap, aloes, muriatic acid, sulfur along with diet management. So, edition of this book, revised and enlarged, second edition, total page number 142, published by Indian Books and Periodicals. Total number of pages in this book is 159, 152. Number, publishers, Boric and Tafel, Philadelphia, 1892. Available of book from publishers Indian Books and Periodical Syndicate, New Delhi. Construction of this book. The book is divided into four parts. Preface by Dr. W. J. Guernsey, the remedies and their indication, repertory part and index. This repertory divided into four parts. Therapeutic part, subjective, objective, aggravation, amelioration and concomitant. Repertory part, subjective symptoms, objective symptoms, aggravation and amelioration. Total number of medicine in this repertory, 143 medicines. Total number of medicine in this repertory is 143 medicines. The remedies are graded with three grading: bold, italic, Roman. Bold, italic, Roman. Symptoms arranged under heading likes subjective, objective, aggravation, concomitants with aggravation and amelioration in corresponding sign. Whenever mentioned under subjective and objective headings, some peculiar characteristics are given in bold typography. For example, subjective, aching, painful, aggravate walking. burning aggravate during bath, crawling in a rectum, objective external aggravate during a stool, during walking, strangulated on walking, aggravation bath during a stool during walking. So subjective, objective and aggravation. Concomitant, prostration so weak he can scarcely rise for sleepiness in the forenoon, yawning very much, weakness in knees, hoarseness, etc. Medicinal abbreviation. Medicinal abbreviation in this repertory is unique. Bartfelder water from Wartfelder spring means medicine contains abbreviation short form and other side common name. A repertory is divided into three sections: subjective symptoms, objective symptoms, aggravation and amelioration. Arrangement of rubric. Arrangement of rubric in this repertory is alphabetical arrangement. Typography rubrics are given in bold Roman with explanation of some rubrics with corresponding rubrics in simple Roman letter. Sub-rubric given in simple Roman and characteristics, one given in bold Roman. Repetition of corresponding rubric, word in sub-rubric given with sign under inverted comma, cross reference present as C, for example, tightness, C tension. Gradation, 3 gradation, bold 3 marks bold Roman, 2 marks italic and 1 marks Roman like Kent repertory. Modalities, aggravation and amelioration are given as sign, time modality with hours also presented. Index. Index of this repertory, it contains all headings of books, preface, remedies and their indication with 134 remedies and corresponding page number. Repertory with its heading like subjective symptoms, objective symptoms and aggravation and amelioration. A scope or utility helps to prescribe in case where therapeutic approach for hemorrhoids is suitable. Due to very clear presentation of symptoms, it is very easy to understand the action of remedies with their peculiar indication. Instead of anatomical presentation, presentation of symptoms in a way like subjective, objective, modality and concomitant will help a student to understand the observation and get a better idea about the concept and use of concomitant. A repertory section helps physician to choose medicine quickly as well as gives a good idea to understand the various synonyms, as this section is rich in synonyms. Comparative section helps in a study of comparative materia medica related to gastrointestinal system. Section related to auxiliary measures and external ointment will help us to manage case very well. Limitation. Less number of remedies in book as compared to other general repertories. Time modalities in our presentation are given but very less in number as compared to other general repertories. Less number of mental symptoms are given in therapeutic sensation. Less number of time modality are presented in repertory. One has to be skillful in understanding of various sensations and its synonyms used in case analysis while using this therapeutic book. rubric related to food articles are very few in repertory section of this book. So in this way we see the construction, scope and limitation of this repertory. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.